KYT NFG. This is the Xavier Simeon Replica medium size. The box always come nicely, you know. KYT box always have those one. It's always nice shape, so it's not moving, it's not getting damaged. That's what I like about KYT. And the bag is always nice also. Always nicely wrapped, quality. So this one is this one. I really like the design of the bag. 10. So that's the Xavier Simeon edition. Yeah. Genda. So they also have this one in NFR. So this one half face, medium size, 1450 grams. ICC. You have the vent on the side, the vent on the top. You open it, you have the visor, and then you have the visor. You can turn it down, put it up. Lock system. Nice foam. The foam is very comfortable actually. So yeah, pretty nice design. I like it. Very flashy. Also, is good when you're on the road because people might gonna see you properly, you know. I like the yellow strap, blue. Quite nice. This one SRP is 3,800 pesos. Very good quality. Message me if you're interested. Apart from KYT helmet, we also have Titicos dark visor, Vendetta dark visor. We also have motul gear oil for scooter, motul scooter oil, 3000 plus 10W40, and the 5100. We have Repro anti-fogs, funnel and chain brush available. So you just have to check in the link in this description for eClo by Manila on Facebook and just send us a message.